Mira Mushtaq. I am an educator and I am a podcaster, a reviewer, a coder, and a graphic designer. And I am a teacher, and almost I am a lifelong learner. And I am a proud part of Rehani AI Teacher Institute. Teaching and learning are not just my profession. They are my passion. I believe in earning with learning and in guiding students to grow with knowledge, ethics, and purpose. Today I am live to share my reflections on Jennifer Goldberg's TED Talk, Is AI Progress Stuck? The topic of TED Talk is AI Progress is Stuck? Discussing what it really means for us as an educator, learner, and lifelong seekers of knowledge. Stay connected with me. My social media handles are in front of you. You can see all my social media handles: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn. My Facebook profile name is Ira Mushtaq Education Wali. You can follow me and you can add me, and you can watch my content live on my Facebook profile and my LinkedIn profile, Ira Mushtaq Education Wali. Let me tell you that currently we are live on Facebook and LinkedIn. And my LinkedIn profile name is Ira Mushtaq Education Wali. You can connect with me on my profile and you can watch my content on my profile, LinkedIn profile, and you can give or suggest any point of view or review on my this profile. So my Instagram handle is in front of you. That is also Ira Mushtaq Education Wali, and you can also watch or see any type of my content on my Instagram handle. And at the end, this is my YouTube channel Iram TV, and you can search me on YouTube by writing Iram TV 5544. So you can see this my YouTube channel, and you can watch easily all my live streaming and content, my teaching content, and all sort of my work on my YouTube channel Iram TV. So let's move toward our review task. The video I saw is by Jennifer Goldberg. Topic is AI Progress Tech, and this is the video. You can watch it on YouTube. This is a TED Talk. I break the review in following parts: introduction and opening, summary, my personal reflections, strengths and weaknesses, and at the end is conclusion. So before going toward the review, I want to introduce you with the speaker of this TED Talk, that is the Jennifer Goldberg. It is the picture of the speaker Jennifer Goldberg. And I summarize the biography of Jennifer Goldberg. Her full name is Jennifer Goldberg. Profession is computer scientist, professor, author, TED speaker. Current role: professor at the College of Information Studies, University of Maryland. Expertise: artificial intelligence, human computer interaction, social media analytics, ethics in AI, research focus, trust, privacy, and ethical use of AI and social media data. Education: BA, MA in Computer Science, University of Chicago, PhD in Computer Science, University of Maryland. Books and authored: Analyzing the Social Web, Introduction to Social Media Investigation, and Other recognition, known for work on trust in AI and algorithmic ethics, TED and keynote speaker globally. Public engagement: regular commentator on AI and tech ethics in media, podcast, and conferences. Other facts: advocate for ethical technology and also passionate about animal rescue and dogs. The event took place in which she came on the stage and give her talk on this topic is in 2024 in the Washington DC, United States. And event attendees are the independent TEDx people, and typically a mix of local professionals, academics, students, and throughout leaders. And it is known for attracting a diverse, intellectually curious crowd. Moving toward the summary of this TED Talk, the opening point are: AI has made remarkable advance in recent years, especially with systems like ChatGPT and image generators, which impress people with their creativity and fluency. Second is the core concern. Despite the hype, AI is still struggles with accuracy, bias, and reliability. These flaws show that progress is not as smooth or advanced as many assume. AGI versus narrow AI. Narrow AI means task specific system works well in controlled tasks like playing chess or generating text. Artificial intelligence, artificial general intelligence AGI, AI that thinks and reasons like human remains elusive. We are far from achieving it. Illusions of progress. Media narratives and marketing often exaggerate AI's abilities, making it look like human level intelligence is around the corner, while in reality, systems are still fragile and inconsistent. Ethical and social risk. Bias in training data leads to unfair outcomes. AI hallucination, false but confident outputs can be dangerous in healthcare, education, and law. Economic incentives often push companies to deploy AI quickly without addressing safety or fairness. Human edge, creativity, empathy, and ethical reasoning remain uniquely human strengths that AI cannot match. Closing message. Instead of rushing towards speculative dreams of AGI, society should focus on fixing present challenges, making AI more trustworthy, ethical, and useful in the real world. In short, Goldbeck argues that AI isn't truly stuck, but its progress is misunderstood. We are dazzled by flashy tools while ignoring the deeper unsolved problems that limit AI's real impact. My personal reflection. As an educator, this talk deeply resonated with me. Jennifer Colbeck highlighted how artificial intelligence, despite its fascinating progress, still struggles with issues like bias, accuracy, and reliability. Furthermore, the biggest lesson was that technology alone is not enough. It must be guided by ethics, human values, and responsibility. In education, we often see students being amazed by AI tools like ChatGPT, but they remain not realize the limitations or risk of depending on them blindly. This talk reminded me that my role as a teacher is not just to introduce technology but also to help learners think critically, question information, and use AI responsibly. I also appreciated the reminder that human qualities, creativity, empathy, and moral judgment cannot be replaced by machines. It gives me hope that education will always need real teachers and mentors to guide the next generation, no matter how advanced AI becomes. Strength of the talk, it simplified complex issues and made me reflect on practical realities of AI rather than the hype. Weakness, it could have provided more concrete solutions for educators and policymakers on how to address AI's challenges. Overall, this talk inspired me to bring more ethical discussions about AI into my classroom. So students learn not only how to use AI but also how to question it and balance it with their own human intelligence. So it is from my side. my work, my contribution. If you like my content, you are enjoying this session, don't forget to like my video on all my platforms and comment, give me suggestion, your point of view, your thinking, your ideas, and your creativity in my comment box. So I will try by myself to answer all the comments and share this video with your friends or related people you want who will educate themselves. Your support help me create more valuable content like this. Thank you very much for this time. Take care of yourself. I will come again with another topic, another new TED talk, and another new review in my studio, the Reflection Room. Thank you very much.